Сегодня, 12 апреля 2024 года, мы с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Пора катить.
They thumb their nose at low class, brutal dance, looking like some road rash. No hands, go fast, throw them off, no chance, no control. Now look at them go. If I want it, I get it. I just lasso the comment just to know that I did it. You said blah 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 blah, like I invited the comments. I need to see all about it before the toe tag. Crow mags, we gotta know. I've been living in the fishbowl. Everybody looking, yeah. Looking at the kid go, doing what they wouldn't, doing what they couldn't. Not beats up, hanging out the window. Everybody juking, yeah. Getting up, then we get low. Everybody pushing, yeah. Yeah. I stopped tripping about the powers that be. Started thinking with the powers of 10. Give you a sense of the lens. Follow my lead as I cut through the breeze. Every step GPS, CCTV. Every breath squeezed through some SJW's tweet. They're so offbeat and so PC. They take the sweet right out the cantaloupe. Damn, they take the beast right out the animal. Can I live? Well, ain't that a bucket of dicks? I was just having fun running from the abyss. Now you coming in hot and tell me what the shit is or what it is not, and what's cut from a rib. Script never fit, pick, missed. Ever since me and my brother were kids. Newports flip tricks on the grip. Tell the world which dick you can kiss. Kill it big, leave the rest for the buzzards to pick. A real son of a bitch. From the hip, for the whole clique to split. Nothing but a flick of the wrist. I've been living in the fishbowl. Everybody looking, yeah. Looking at the kid go, doing what they wouldn't, doing what they couldn't. Not beats up, hanging out the window. Yeah. Everybody juking, yeah. Getting up, then we get low. Everybody pushing, yeah. When I dip, they dip. When I jump, they jump. I just talk my shit, have my fun, make it boom. Yeah. Me and my boss chick making boss moves, driving you crazy in your lazy costume. You want some fake it till you make it shit. I'm on some eat the rich, fuck it up, break the shit. Ayy, I don't know what you say, I don't think it's a game, so I don't care who wins. I was scared sick, used to disassociate. Now look at all these hairpins I negotiate. Styling on them wild as a motherfucker, higher than you buying in. Blame my environment, it's something in my wiring. I don't know, maybe that's too microscope. Maybe I'm too macro with the tackles on the microphone. Oh, I think they like it though, trying to keep it lighter but it's darker out. Pull the marker out, make a map about the moment. Go ahead, go in, I'm zoning, I'm coping, I'm hoping, I'm rolling. I wrote it, I made it for you. True, just trying to step around the dog doo-doo.